Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. It's the battle of the outdoor security cameras. On the left, we have the Blink Outdoor 4, and on the right, the VIRTAVO security cameras wireless outdoor. Let's dive right into it. Alright, let's talk about the price. The Blink Outdoor 4 comes in at $259, while the VIRTAVO security cameras wireless outdoor is available for just $49. Now that's quite a price difference. You could almost buy 5 VIRTAVO cameras for the price of one Blink camera. But is it worth it? Let's find out. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer 1080p Full HD resolution. However, the Blink Outdoor 4 takes it up a notch with infrared night vision and enhanced motion detection. On the other hand, the VIRTAVO camera boasts Starlight color night vision, ensuring clear visuals even in low light conditions. So if you're worried about those sneaky intruders in the dark, VIRTAVO might have the edge here. Now let's talk about battery life. The Blink Outdoor 4 claims an impressive 2-year battery life with the included AA lithium batteries. That's right, you won't have to worry about constantly changing batteries. On the other hand, the VIRTAVO camera promises a battery life of 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. So if you're looking for a long-lasting solution, Blink might be the way to go. Motion detection is a crucial feature for any security camera. The Blink Outdoor 4 offers dual zone, enhanced motion detection, ensuring you're alerted to motion faster. But wait, the VIRTAVO camera takes it a step further with advanced PIR detection and AI smart algorithms. It can even differentiate between humans, pets, and vehicles. So if you want that extra layer of intelligence, VIRTAVO has got you covered. Now let's talk about some additional features. The Blink Outdoor 4 allows you to save and share clips, either in the cloud with a free 30-day trial or locally with the Sync module too. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa, so you can control it with your voice. On the other hand, the VIRTAVO camera offers two-way talk, device sharing with up to 5 users, and even Alexa integration. You can have conversations with the delivery guy or scare away burglars, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Both the Blink Outdoor 4 and the VIRTAVO security cameras wireless outdoor have their own unique features and strengths. It ultimately comes down to what you prioritize in a security camera. If budget friendliness and advanced AI detection are your priorities, VIRTAVO might be the way to go. But if you value long battery life and enhanced motion detection, the Blink Outdoor 4 is definitely worth considering. Remember to do your own research and choose the camera that best fits your needs. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping!